Hello, welcome students. We're glad that you are here at Eastern Oklahoma State College. My name is Melissa Juarez. I'm the first year experience coordinator for Choctaw Nation College Freshman Year Initiative. We are located in Johnston Hall on the east side, bottom ground level floor. Our program is for first year college freshmen who are members of the Choctaw Nation of Oklahoma. So we're here to guide you and help you make this transition into college an easy and enjoyable one. So if you think you qualify for our program, you need to get in touch with me as soon as you are on campus. We have weekly workshops. They may be virtual, they may be in person. We're just going to see how that goes as the semester progresses. They are held here in Johnston Hall as well. You will meet with me once a week. They can range from things like stress management, time management. We can help you with resumes. We talk to you about career options and just all the different programs that are available to you through Choctaw Nation as well. So if you are a first-time freshman year student, you have taken less than 12 hours of college classes, or even if you took concurrent classes in high school, you are still eligible to be in our program. So get in touch with me. I'm in Johnston Hall, room 122, that's my office, or you can call me at 465-1705. Thank you so much and have a great semester.